Good morning. I have a newly open iris here. This iris was planted last year on my birthday on August 12, 2025, and it's only around June 15. No, maybe June 16 now. And you see this ruffled iris is less than a year. It blooms and it thickens the growth under. You see how many babies are there in the growth, and for less than a year, because I baby this iris, and this iris is very special because of the many color looks on their petals, particularly in a fall petal. I can see bright yellow, I can see some white inside here, or cream. See, you will see some bluish there too, a little bit. And in the edges here, they're kind of purple or bluish. And here is in the middle here is maroon, and here under is kind of peach. You see multicolor on this iris. And the ruffled makes this iris so special because that's what I want. That's why I ordered this from outside of Canada and bring over here, and paid a lot of money for delivery from the US, and again delivery in Canada when they arrive here, and the cost of phytosanitary permit too, and the cost of iris, and so this is special, this iris. That's why I baby this iris to make them return in Zone 3 Canada, Zone 3 Calgary, Alberta, between Zone 3 Zone 4. That's the weather here. Zone of planting is Zone 3 and 4. And this iris came from Zone 7, Zone 8 in Oregon. And sometimes hard to believe that less than a year they flower and have a lot of growth underneath there. You see those growth, a lot of growth already. Yeah, because I took care very much of this iris, not just planting them and leave them. So when you have many iris or few iris, make sure there's no weeds around, unless